Mechanical Keyboard PCB Stabilizer Satellite Switch Film PTFE Silica Gel Adjust. Mechanical Keyboard PCB Stabilizer Satellite Switch Film PTFE Silica Gel Adjust the big keys. Review. Mechanical keyboards are known for their tactile feedback and clicky sound, but they can also be noisy and have a lot of key wobble. If you're looking for a way to improve the sound and feel of your mechanical keyboard, you may want to consider using a PCB stabilizer satellite switch film. PCB stabilizer satellite switch films are thin, flexible sheets that are placed between the PCB and the stabilizer housing. They help to reduce key wobble and improve the overall sound of the keyboard. They are also available in a variety of materials, including PTFE and silica gel. PTFE is a type of plastic that is known for its low friction and high durability. It is a good choice for PCB stabilizer satellite switch films because it helps to reduce key wobble without adding any extra weight to the keyboard. Silica gel is a type of porous material that is often used in desiccants. It is a good choice for PCB stabilizer satellite switch films because it helps to absorb moisture and prevent the keyboard from becoming sticky. If you're looking for a way to improve the sound and feel of your mechanical keyboard, you may want to consider using a PCB stabilizer satellite switch film. They are a relatively inexpensive and easy way to upgrade your keyboard. Here are some of the benefits of using a PCB stabilizer satellite switch film. Asterisk reduces key wobble. Asterisk improves the overall sound of the keyboard. Asterisk available in a variety of materials. Asterisk relatively inexpensive and easy to install. Here are some of the drawbacks of using a PCB stabilizer satellite switch film. Asterisk may not be compatible with all mechanical keyboards. Asterisk may add a small amount of weight to the keyboard. Asterisk may not be necessary for keyboards that already have good stabilizers. Overall, PCB stabilizer satellite switch films are a good option for improving the sound and feel of your mechanical keyboard. They are relatively inexpensive and easy to install, and they can make a big difference in the way your keyboard feels. Here are some tips for choosing the right PCB stabilizer satellite switch film. Asterisk consider the material of the film. PTFE is a good choice for reducing key wobble, while silica gel is a good choice for absorbing moisture. Asterisk choose a film that is the right thickness for your keyboard. The film should be thick enough to provide support without adding too much weight to the keyboard. Asterisk make sure the film is compatible with your keyboard. Some films are only compatible with specific types of keyboards. Here are some of the best PCB stabilizer satellite switch films on the market. Asterisk. Durock PCB stabilizer plate mounted. https www.amazon.com/durock-stabilizer-plate-switches/dp/b0898984y2. Asterisk. Everglide stabilizer plate mounted. https www.amazon.com/everglide-stabilizer-plate-switches/dp/b0898984y2. Asterisk. C3 equals stabilizer plate mounted. https www.amazon.com/c3-equals-stabilizer-plate-mounted/dp/b0898984y2.